Hi there, this is Thomas from investmentexcel.com. In this session I will take you through the valuation of bond techniques. This will include obviously present value, but also zero coupon rates and the yield to maturity. The skills level for this session is stated to be simple, but preferably you have some very basic technical understanding or intuition within math. So this video session and the underlying Excel book are both available on the website investmentexcel.com and also the website spotify.com. Let's get to it. Let's start with some simple cash flow pricing analysis. So what we have here is basically a model for pricing on the yield to maturity curve, which in the graphical setting here is the lower interest rate curve, term structure as we also call it, the blue one, and the other one is the zero coupon rates. We see here in the table the figures. So underlying the term structure of the yield to maturity curve is this range, 1 to 3%, a little bit higher rates than you will find in today's markets, and here we have the zero coupon rates, slightly higher. So now we will look at 4 different models of pricing on each curve, and let's just start with the yield to maturity. I make a box here. I have on the left hand four cash flows, or at least the numerization of the cash flow. I have the years, that is the X on the graph, and I have the yield to maturity, that's the Y on the graph. For each time period 1, 2, 3, 4, there is a cash flow. It could be dollars, it could be euros, it could be yen. And over here I assume that we have 4 different investors for 4 different cash flow profiles. The first investor, he buys one cash flow 1 year ahead. The second profile, the second investor, buys a second product which has a cash flow in year 1 and one in year 2. So note here, we are not talking about any coupons or any principals yet. It's not specifically a bond, it's just cash flow, because that's very important to note that bonds are simply just cash flows with a special structure. So this one, investor 2, he has a claim on the second and the first one, and of course same with the third and fourth investor. So now what's the price, what's the PV of profile 1's claim on 1,001 year ahead? How much is he willing to pay for an expected cash flow of $1,000 1 year ahead? He is ready to pay that price that implicitly gives him the interest rate that he is interested in, that is the return that he is looking for. And the return that he wants is the yield to maturity on year 1. So 1%. That's the required return for investors buying this product. So what we do is just to discount the 1,000 by 1 plus this one, and we lift it to B14, which is just the time period, so we discount it. So if you inverse it, you will see that you get a return of